Found this little art desk. Little art desk. There's a drawer that goes in there. There's the wood. I'm starting to take it apart. I'm gonna go get it powder coated, and I'm gonna refinish that top. I'm powder coated like a light green. So here's a look of the desk before it gets refurbished, and then I'll take a short video of the desk once it's all complete. Here at the powder coat company, there's my desk. It's all sandblasted. Just need to get powder coated now. The restoration process of this art desk is finally complete. On the top, did a sand, a stain, and a few coats of some spar varnish. So it's all original. Had a powder coat finish, like a sage green. Had it sandblasted. Put it all back together. Came out pretty cool. Again, this is a vintage art desk. Top is real smooth. We puttied all the gouges and nicks. I saw a similar desk like this online in its original condition, and they were asking about $1,700. So here in the front, there's that drawer. And this comes up. So the bottom, I also applied some stain. This wood actually broke in half. I needed to glue it, put some dowels in it. So it took a little bit of work, but it's all complete. I'm actually gonna keep this desk, and my young artist is gonna be using it.